In this video, we'll show you how to install SmartPSS onto your Windows computer. SmartPSS will download as a zip file, and you will need to unzip it by right-clicking and selecting Extract All, and then Extract. A new folder will be created with the SmartPSS application inside. Double-click SmartPSS, click Yes to this Windows alert, click the checkbox to agree to the agreement and select Next. Select Next again, and then click Install. Once that's complete, click Finish. Double-click the SmartPSS icon and enter a unique password. Note that this password is for using SmartPSS on your computer and not for the recorders or cameras. Confirm the password by typing it again and click Next. In this screen, you'll set up 3 security questions for a password reset. After entering answers for the 3 security questions, click Finish. Now you can log in using the admin username and the password you just created. Thanks for watching.